मैं अपनी सस दे घरे आई हाँ ते मेरी सस दा घर मैनू बहुत वधिया लगदा है। अपना घर कदे किसी नूं सोहना नहीं लगदा ना, मतलब मैनू पसंद है, पर होरां दा घर देख के दिल ललचांदा ही है ना। मैं इत्थे आके एक्चुअली आ नोटिस करिया, ओहदे कोल ना इंडियन तेल है, देखो इत्थे लिखिया है कुमारी का इंडियन तेल, देखो गोरी कोल, पर ਇਹ 'ਚ कुछ ਦਰਖਤਾਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਜੜ ਨਿਕਲੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। मैं देखन लगी ਹਾਂ, ਪੁੱਛੂੰਗੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਚਲੋ। Is this thing here?
That is one I got from the $2 shop. I saw you had some.
Right.
And I used to use it, like Neha used it on the hair.
For the
but
hair?
I forget to use it.
But what's those roots are inside the
They're
branches?
a special plant that are good for your hair, your scalp.
Did you use it?
Ayurveda or something, isn't it?
So it's already in there.
Yeah.
How interesting.
But you've had this before, haven't you?
I have always, yeah.
But I get that from the $2 shop.
Yeah, it's the same Asian shops. Every have this hair oil. These are hair oil.
But I don't know what that plant is really.
Yeah, it will be written there. Does it smell nice?
No.
No?
Not really.
Then why are you applying it?
Because it's supposed to be good for your hair.
Really?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
So is it Robbie's one? Did he put it there?
No, it's not weed.
Are you sure?
I reckon you could plant that. I reckon you could plant that and they would grow. And you could have some of that plant here. I reckon that's why they bring them in the country. It's a way of getting this stuff through biosecurity, through customs for people to grow here.
So you have applied it before. Did you find any difference by using it?
Not really.
So it doesn't work?
I don't know.
Well,
I don't think any products, we can spend a small fortune on different products, and do they work?
Did you ever use hair oil before you seen me with the oil?
No, never.
So you just copied me, not knowing what it is for.
Yeah, because mine's, so what is it for? Am I wrong?
No, it's good for the hair. It brings shine and health back to the hair if you're having hair fall or something. But just use it before shower. You don't leave it on for long.
Oh, well, I'm not.
It will break hair fall. So it's only good to use it before a shower.
Well, I'm not having another shower, so too bad.
No.
But I didn't put much on.
No, it's good. It's fine. But we do it mostly hair oiling, like a massage.
But you're welcome to use it. And you gave me that one too. You can use this as well.
No, I'm happy without them. You got so much stuff here, which I was trying to...
And it's junk.
Do you ever get to them?
No, not really. Not really.
फिलिपा का बाथरूम देख लो। फिलिपा का बाथरूम में क्रीम भी लगा लिया साथ के साथ ही। And I like this wash basin. It's old time wash basin, but still has one tap rather than two. Like comparing to our bathroom.
This is really good to rub on your sore.
Rubbing alcohol.
Muscles.
Yeah.
Another $2 shop product. That actually stinks.
And this one, these are your shampoo, all the three?
My little Filipino girl who came here to live for a while, she put me onto that. That's really good.
What do you do with this?
Rubbing on sore muscles, massage.
Your Filipino friend?
Oh, well, she came here. She's a caregiver.
Beautiful. That's like
eucalyptus. And I get this from the Filipino shop.
It's like eucalyptus in it or rosemary's in it?
Eucalyptus.
Smells like
camphor,
them.
Menthol, which comes from eucalyptus or menthol. Contains menthol and camphor. Mainly menthol and camphor.
Does it work on you? Like, does it work, as she said, for the muscles?
For the relief of back, yes it does, it's good. And muscle pain, overwork, rheumatism, headaches, stiffness,
देखो, head lice,
minus sprains.
ਜੂਆਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੋਕੋ ਦੇ ਜੂਆਂ ਹੋ ਗਈਆਂ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਸਭ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੋਣ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਬਚਿਆ ਜੂਆਂ ਤੋਂ. Is that for the head lice? And you didn't have any?
I don't know.
Come on, Ahan, come out.
I'm not
sure. You uses that shampoo? This one?
Yeah.
This one, right?
No.
These ones?
Yeah.
And who's this one is?
Oh, it's just a spare.
That's a good one. It has argan oil in it.
Yeah, but that's a conditioner, I think.
I never use shampoo.
I'm not using
Yeah, you don't need it. Oh,
Now speak. Making a joke.
If we stop using shampoo, our hair will fall out too.
my hair started falling out when I was
Shampoo free here. You're not going out anymore?
You know you're going to go on the World Wide Web. You know you're going on the World Wide
ਚਲੋ ਹੁਣ ਉਹ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਣਾ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਇतनी देर से घंटा हो गया
इनका नहीं बनाया
मम्मी
क्या बनाया
अच्छा ये बनाया क्या है
मैंने
ये
पेंट
दिखाना
अभी मैंने पेंट नहीं करी तो पूरी
ये
सही
तो
से नहीं
चुच्ची
दिख
सी है चुच्ची बनाई
आंख है
आंख है यो
मैंने पूरी कंप्लीट नहीं
देखो
किया
बताओ आप खुद ही चुच्ची जैसे शेप नहीं लग रही
नहीं
हाँ कोको आप बताओ पहले एक मिनट दिखाना
मैं ये बना
पहले मुझे ये बताओ इसकी शेप कैसी लग रही है
आंख की तरह
देखो क्लीन पर्सन बोलते हैं आंख पर देखो डर्टी पीपल बोलते हैं मेरी तरह की ये चुच्ची है
मैंने ने तो बोला कि लोली है
I'll ask her again अगर उसने बोला कि नहीं Philippa what shape do you think it does look like
an eye
an eye I called something else to it
yeah I said something else too but I'm not going to say it again
what do you think it is like
it's a knob
nope yeah it doesn't look like eyeball to me
it's because it's not painted
then you better paint it first so it doesn't look like
camera
okay कोको
I'm making this
ये बेलन से रोटी बनाओगी
हाँ
हैं
हाँ
इस पे तो डिजाइन हो रहा बेलन पे देखिए कितना सुंदर बेलन डिजाइनदार मैं अपनी मम्मी को गिफ्ट करूंगी ये बेलन सारी औरतें सुन लो इंडिया में ये बेलन ले लो ऐसा वाला रोटी डिजाइनदार बनती हुई आवेंगी तुम्हारी रोटी डिजाइनदार बनेगी ना इससे डिजाइन हो जाते हैं आटे पे
हाँ
दिखा करके एक डिजाइन तेरे तो आटा खत्म हो गया सारा जैसा मिट्टी से ना खेलना था देखो ऐसे खेल रहे हैं लोग दोनों मिट्टी के साथ
ये गरीब लोग के लिए नहीं रहती
मम्मी देखो
अच्छा
ये महंगा रहता है बहुत
सच्ची ये
देखो
खरीद के
कितना
लाना पड़ता
महंगे
है
वाली चीज है हमारे पास
ये खरीद के लाना पड़ता है ना
हाँ $20 की छोटी सी
देखो $20 की है ये यानी कि 1000 रुपए का ही छोटा सा आटा है ये छोटा सा आटा मिट्टी है ये ना वैसे ये 1000 रुपए का आटा है मिट्टी है और फिर इसको यहाँ बैठ के बनाते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ मिट्टी नहीं मिलती ना ऐसी वाली इंडिया की तरह यहाँ पे बहुत साफ सुथरा रहता है सारा कुछ तो क्लीन चीजें
तो
होती
हम
हैं
गंदे चीजें के लिए पैसे देते हैं
गंदी चीजें खरीदने के लिए पैसे देखो मिट्टी खरीदने के लिए पैसे देते हैं ये 1000 रुपए दे के आए हैं फिर इनको ये मिट्टी मिली है अब ये इन मिट्टी के साथ खेल रहे हैं एंजॉय कर रहे
ये तो
हैं
$50 की होगी
50 की
हाँ इतनी सारी तो
देखो 2500 रुपए का सामान है ये सिर्फ मिट्टी 2500 रुपए में लाए हैं ये लोग हैं
वहाँ से उसके नीचे से
नैना ने वहां से निकाली मिट्टी सारी
हाँ केविन
हैं कहाँ से तो फिर तो
उसके
फ्री है
नीचे से
हैं समय जुटते हैं
नहीं असली में ये क्लेम खरीदते हैं बहुत महंगा होता है ये को पता नहीं क्या बोल रही
हाँ वहाँ तो है ही नहीं वहाँ तो सारे पत्थर हैं
नहीं उसके नीचे था
अच्छा चलो थोड़ी बहुत होगी पर ये देखती हूँ
एक
कि
बैग
ये डिड यू हैव टू बाय दिस क्ले डिड यू हैव टू बाय दिस क्ले or is it from the house
What do you mean? Did you buy this clay? What place? The clay! Did you buy the clay?
Yeah, I bought the clay.
I need some water on this car
देखो उसने कहा है कि उसने मिट्टी खरीदी है
It's a special clay from around Nelson.
How much did it
You
cost?
can get Australian clay too for potters.
oh
How much did it cost?
Oh, about $40 actually. Quite a bit.
$40
But you can make a lot of cups out of that 2000 and sell them. See that thing down there? I made that in the 70s. Go away.
देखो
In the 70s.
with the booby one
Yeah,
it's not you didn't make
I
that
did so.
it's so shiny you can't make it
I
with
did
clay
it at art school.
Did you really?
Yeah, we had cones, we had glazes.
That looks like ready-made.
It's the Venus. No. See all these mugs here are like finger mugs. I made this.
How cool! So you made it and then colored it, painted it. I mean,
And dipped it in the
beautiful. That's amazing.
dipped it in the glaze. In the glaze. Two
Samir
different.
Nana खुद बनाई है ये.
I've shown it
make a baby wala?
because I was just
आ
making
जाओ.
a Venus.
आ जाओ.
If you look in the
Venus is a planet.
art history box, there are Venus warehouse actually.
Mama, this is
Because
your
you know
cup.
the reason why they're selling that now
This
is
is
'cause
your
Shut up.
cup.
so many lovely, thank you. So many people are into making cakes. Icing.
Cakes.
Icing.
Hmm.
Yeah.
This one's gonna be my cup.
Is this your cup?
Yes.
देखो कोको ने कप बनाया अपने आप, मिट्टी का कप.
देखो ये कैसे लग रही.
देखो ये मिट्टी का कप बनाया कोको ने, और ये मिट्टी जो ये खेल रहे हैं ना, ये इसको खरीद के लेके आए हैं. देखो
इनसे वैसे ग्लास बनती है.
पोट्री करते हैं ये लोग, इससे पोट्री
नहीं,
होती है.
इससे जो हमारे ग्लास पीते हैं ना,
पानी.
हाँ,
This was
न्यूजीलैंड में इनसे बनती है
देखो.
क्ले से.
हाँ, पर हम थोड़ा ना बनाते हैं, दुकान वाले बनाते होंगे ना.
मैं बना सकता हूँ.
Who can make that big shoe? I've done next to the painting.
मैं बारी.
None of
I'm gonna take a
देखिए,
shower.
इन सब ने ऐसा बनाया. देखो कितना अच्छा काम करते हैं लोग.
Man, I'm gonna take a shower now. I'll
टाइडी
continue
अप तो कर
later
दे
on.
फिर. देखो कोको ने क्या बनाया.
the flower house.
है ना.
Obviously,
And the heart.
everyone knows how
And
to
a
take
cup.
a shower.
I don't have any more clay.
Yep.
I don't have any more clay.
देखो ये बेलन है, कोको का बेलन. दिस इज ऑल्सो बेलन, है ना. पर इस बेलन में डंडी या हैंडल तो है नहीं, इसको ऐसे पकड़ के घुमाते रहते हैं. रोटी
क्योंकि ये
बनाते हैं
किले
ऐसे
के
से.
लिए है, क्योंकि हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, देख लो मैंने आपको कितनी चीज दिखाई है कि बच्चे ऐसे ऐसे करके मिट्टी के साथ खेलते हैं, और मिट्टी पैसे देकर खरीद के लाते हैं ये लोग, फिर ये बनाते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मिट्टी वगैरह ऐसे मिलती नहीं है. ठीक है. तो ये सब कुछ मेरी सास का घर है, वहाँ पे सब कुछ कर रहे हैं ये लोग ऐसा काम. और देखो ये भी बड़ा खुश लग रहा है छोटा बच्चा. क्या हो गया तुझे, एक पोज में खड़ा बैठा रह गया. ले, नेल पेंट लगा रखी है इसके, कोको ने लगाई है नेल पेंट, है ना.
एक ही पोज में
क्यों बैठा था एक पोज में.
उन्होंने देखा नहीं.
You dry it with your towel when you finish drying yourself.
Thank you.
Yes, Philippa, what are you talking about? What are you doing?
Making kids some lunch. Neha,
Yes.
do you know where this peanut butter is made? Made? Is it making you laugh?
I took a break
Right.
to laugh.
Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Watch very closely. Watch
Yes.
Very closely.
So what it is?
Very closely. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Can you see that?
Oh, it's made in
India.
Yay!
Just like my daughter-in-law. She was made in India. Slightly darker than the peanut butter,
देखो
but not
मूंगफली का बना हुआ पेस्ट.
Just like me too.
Slightly darker.
roasted for a little bit longer than these peanuts. But she's a proper little peanut, this one.
So who is more roasted, peanut butter
I'm
or
so
me?
Embarrassed.
Now tell.
You're a little bit more roasted than the peanuts.
You are a naughty one, aren't you?
Oh, shut up and go away, Neha. I'm scared. She scares me. She terrifies me. Yeah, she's taken all my money. She's taken all my jewelry. She's taken
robbed
everything.
her.
She taken me all my time up.
I robbed her son also.
She gave me grandchildren to drive me crazy.
And we given her a dog too. So what are you making?
Peanut butter sandwiches
And this peanut butter came from India, na?
for the children.
And देखो another Indian here. Come here, close to the Nana. Close to Nana.
एक मिनट मेरे
So, Who is more roasted now, peanut butter or your grandson? Who is more roasted now? Who is more roasted?
Me. I'm black.
Who is more roasted? You, me? No, sorry, peanut butter or your grandson? Come here.
Okay, I'll tell you the truth. Come here. I'm outnumbered. I have to tell the truth. The peanuts were roasted. These guys were roasted around about the stage of coffee.
Oh, not with one hand.
Grandpa.
Good. Now you're becoming more Indian grandmother. Good on you.
He's roasted.
Thank you. You don't deserve to go anywhere now. You have to stick here. हमें पकड़े 1 minute.
Don't squeeze me again. Oh. Oh. Oh no! No, she can't lift me. No, she's trying to. Oh!
Mr. Darcy.
Did Darcy go and do it again?
What is Mr. Darcy doing? Is he trying to join us?
No,
I can pick you up easily.
Stop you.
Doing another one today?
Nothing.
Mr. Darcy is doing his job.
Up. I can pick you and throw you.
ਕਿੰਨੀ
I can pick
ਵਧੀਆ
up
ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ
everything,
ਦੇਖੋ
throw
ਗੋਰਿਆਂ
it.
ਦੀ
And
ਕੁਝ ਵੀ
pick
ਕਰੋ
up.
ਬੁਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਦੀਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੱਕੀ ਆ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਰੋ
Throw it.
ਚੰਗਾ ਫਿਰ ਬਾਏ